Yep. Let me actually start from outside. Out the gate. All this land. I'm telling you something. When you not have no people, all no people go foreign, work hard in a cold like my grandfather work hard in England. Blood, sweat and tears. And all of this I'm investment. So what you do? Now make Babylon tell about how mother have father have and happy with the child we have in own. Secure no family sitting. You see it? See it there? See it there? Whole heap of land. Go way back so, way back. All the way over so fruitful. Enough land up in the hills country. Grandfather grave there. My rest up. Don't know. See it there? Pure land in the hills. Rasta have to take to the hills. See it there? No pollution. Free from Babylon. Natural fruit tree. Natural breeze.